you have palm trees, folks, try some lighting on them. So those are LED lights that don't give off any heat. Those are rope lights. And we actually have to put more on there. You can see how much this palm tree has grown since Wendy put the rope lights on it. These things grow quite a bit here. So that's a Trachycarpus fortunei palm growing it in our garden. And it is always nice for the B&B guests that come in here at night and kind of lights away, right? You got some nice bright lights on the trunk of this Trachycarpus palm tree. And then of course there's more lighting throughout the garden in there as well. It was dark. I just kind of fixed some of the LED bulbs, but go for the LED low wattage lights because like I say, you're not using up as much electricity. And these rope lights are really easy to put on. You just basically wrap them around the trunk and man, they look nice. They look just absolutely, you can get colored ones as well, but we like to leave these things on year round. And so like I say, that's why Wendy goes for the white ones. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here from this YouTube channel. Cheers to you.